Hey everyone, this is the Aula F99 wireless mechanical keyboard. Been using this for a little over a year as my everyday office keyboard, and so far I'm really enjoying it. So first, let's start with what comes with the box. So, of course, you get the keyboard itself. You get this Type-C USB cord. You also get something, a tool, pull the keys out, and a guide as far as what the combination of buttons do for the keyboard. Some key features of it is first up, connectivity. So this has Bluetooth, the dongle connectivity, and you can be wired directly. You can also connect to up to 5 different devices with this. Say you have multiple PCs, you could connect to 5 different PCs using various different FN key combinations. This keyboard is also fully hot swappable, which means if you remove any of these keys, yank them out, and put different keys in, you don't have to do any soldering or wiring or anything like that. It's just good to go. Next piece is the RGB lighting, which was a pretty big selling point of this for me. So one moment, let me make it a little darker in here. And we'll go through the different lights. So said FN and backslash is the different modes. And then FN and tab, that's how you change the colors. There we go. Red, green, blue, yellow, purple, blue, and white. It also features these PBT double shot keycaps, which they sound really good. This keyboard comes with the Graywood switches. Um, so this is how they sound. It's a key point everyone likes to hear on these mechanical keyboards. Next piece is the battery life. So this is an 8,000 milliamp battery. I really don't charge this thing a whole lot. I feel like I charge overnight, maybe once a week. Honestly, most of the time it's probably twice a week. So really amazing battery life. It's the best battery life I've ever had on a keyboard, easily. And then to wrap things up, this honestly has become my favorite keyboard. It has the exceptional battery life, the RGB lighting, the way the keys feel. I can type on this for hours and never have any issues or wrist pain. And I've been really enjoying the keyboard for the year I've been using it. So